Watch closely, because this moment will decide whether the next 6 months change your life or disappear like the last ones. You keep telling yourself time is moving fast, but the truth is harsher. You are moving slow, and while you wait to feel ready, your potential is quietly expiring. 6 months is not a long time, but it is long enough to build discipline, long enough to build strength, long enough to build a version of yourself you no longer recognize. Yet most people waste it the same way: comfort, distraction, excuses. Then they act surprised when nothing changes. Be honest with yourself. How many plans have you made that never survived a full week? How many mornings started with motivation and ended in regret? You know exactly what you should be doing, but knowing has never been your problem. Execution is. Every wasted day feels harmless. One more scroll, one more delay, one more promise to start tomorrow. But time does not move in dramatic leaps. It erodes quietly. And one day you wake up older, frustrated, and wondering how you got here. Here is the uncomfortable truth. No one is coming to push you. No one is coming to discipline you. The world does not reward intention. It rewards action taken consistently when it is boring, uncomfortable, and unseen. Right now, you are standing at a split point. On one side is the same version of you. Same habits, same excuses, same results. On the other side is a harder path. Early mornings, fewer distractions, more effort, less comfort. But that path leads somewhere. Most people choose comfort because it feels safe, but comfort is the most expensive addiction there is. It costs you confidence, it costs you self-respect, it costs you years you can never buy back. If you want the next 6 months to matter, you must stop negotiating with yourself. Wake up at the same time every day, not when you feel like it, when you said you would. Discipline begins with small promises kept daily. Control your environment. Your phone should not see you before your goals do. Attention is your most valuable resource. If you waste it early, you will chase focus all day and never catch it. Do one hard thing every day, not 10. 1. The task you avoid, the work that scares you. Discomfort is not punishment, it is training. Every time you lean into it, you expand your limits. Stop consuming more than you produce. Information without action is mental junk food. It makes you feel full while you starve your potential. Learn less, execute more. Understand this clearly. Motivation is unreliable. Discipline is stable. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays when feelings disappear. Build systems that work even when you do not feel strong. Consistency is how identity changes. You do not wake up transformed. You become different by repeating the same disciplined actions until they become automatic. This is how average men quietly become dangerous. 6 months from now, time will pass no matter what you do. The only question is who you will be when it does. Will you still be talking about plans, or will your actions speak for you? The pain of discipline is temporary. The pain of regret compounds. Choose wisely. Start before you feel ready. Start while it is uncomfortable. Start when no one is watching. This is your warning and your opportunity. Waste another 6 months and you teach yourself that your word means nothing. Use the next 6 months and you prove to yourself that change is possible. Decide now. Close this. Stand up. Remove one distraction. Do one hard thing today, not tomorrow, today, because the man you become in 6 months is being built right now in this exact moment. Do not wait for perfect conditions, because discipline is built by acting through imperfect moments daily.